Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add or use the Clownfish voice changer for Discord. So first off, let's go through this website, Clownfish voice changer, click on this one, and next click on download and click on this first one, the first download option here. After that it will download, and just install it and make sure that you've gone through the installation process smoothly. And after that, open the Clownfish voice changer just like so. Go to setup and system integration right here. Go first to the tray here on the taskbar. You'll see this icon. Go to setup, then system integration, and make sure that the one installed is in your current microphone that you are using. Take note of that and just close it. Next, just go to user settings right here and go to profiles. Go to voice and video here. Make sure that it's the same as the one in the Clownfish app. And after that, just click on escape and go to the Clownfish app again right here and set voice changer. You could pick any effects that you want. So let's try helium.
So as you can see, my voice changed once I click a voice changer here. And if you want to clear it, just click on here.
Boom, and you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.